Hello everyone, greetings from another amazing Lego event in Czech Republic, and today we will look at some animals. First we will start with these Arab birds, which look absolutely amazing. Take a look at the texture, at the colors. It's almost the snot technique, which means no studs on top. Beautiful Arab birds with different colors. This one is blue, that one is green, and we have other birds. This is kakadu. Notice how these feathers are made from the brick separators. There's rainbow in the back with headwig, the old style headwig. We have some agaponis bird, beautiful orange, yellow and green. And this nest here, that's the small Arab birds, tiny birdies feasting on some, not a snake, no. Few more birds over here, and this one is an amazing chameleon. Got a fly. And going further, there is a tree with lots of small birds. It's like a bonsai tree, the similar style. I like that it has very high angle and it's still holding, it's still solid. Now here we have some penguins on ice that are actually moving, floating and swimming. And this, I don't know if you recognize this bird. In Czech it's called sojka. Not sure how the English name is. Further here are some rabbits or bunnies, and they are being guarded by this amazing fox. Really an incredible design, incredible build. Beautiful tail, all of it is beautiful. Behind it we have a phoenix, and this is evolution of man. And this funny thing down here is evolution of my friend. Few more in the back is the set crocodile and tiger, which you can buy in any store, but my friend added some of the base. And that's all from these big animals, but we have more. On the right side we have a zoo project from about 20 Czech apples, so we will take a look at that in the next video.